You may call the barangay,
You
kuya.
want us to do your job.
My job? I'm not asking you to do my job. I'm asking you is to protect us.
So you want us to protect you.
Oh my God.
Sir, hindi po.
And what?
I need to call the barangay.
Yes.
You have to, ano na lang po.
We don't know the guy.
We have to step outside? Are you for real? Are you for real? You didn't even stop him. You didn't even stop him.
Okay.
My God. You're on camera. You're on camera. Kitang-kita ka sa camera. Don't worry, ate.
We're an employee here and we're just
Are you the manager here? Are you the manager? Are you the manager, kuya? Are you the manager? We're the customer.
We don't even know the guy.
I'm calling the barangay.
Yes.
And then you're asking us to step outside.
Yes,
Because of what? Because of what? Yeah, he's attacking us. Yeah, he's attacking us out of nowhere. Then all of a sudden you're gonna ask us to step outside? Yeah, that's why you should have handled that.
No, you
Oh, and then, oh, you may call the barangay,
You
kuya.
want us to do your job.
My job? I'm not asking you to do my job. I'm asking you is to protect
So
us.
you want us to protect you.
Oh my God.
Hoy, hindi na boy, hindi na obligasyon alis ka. Ang sama-sama na ugali mo kaya kung ginaganyan. Hindi po itama yung ibang tao. Pag ka.
You want us to protect you?
I'm not asking you to protect me kasi
I just want you to leave the store. Matadamay kami.
habang inaatake kami sa loob ng store nyo, ganun kuya, habang inaatake kami sa loob ng store nyo,
What do you want us to do?
you can stop him from attacking us.
How could I do that?
Kuya, pwede mo siyang awatin
Am
lang.
I a security guard? Why
Hindi
don't you do
kuya.
that?
Kasi kayo yung authorized dito mag-stop sa kanya. eh.
Wow.
Oh my God.
This is the person.
Common sense, guys. You can't put a hand on anybody, you know? Common sense.
Yes, common
He's
sense.
asking you to leave the store. It should not even be on this side of the counter.
Actually, he's being violent. Okay?
Yeah, that's why we
And you're
want.
You
also
need to call somebody. You don't come in the store and asking for help.
But again,
You're putting us in trouble actually.
Kuya, di namin, again, sorry if sumigaw ako kasi natakot kami eh.
Kasi I will call the barangay.
I'm sorry, I don't honestly.
I don't understand you either.
Alright, thank you. But what we're just asking, okay, since you're calling the barangay, you may not call the barangay and ask. And if you're encountering that, should have been the
Do that with us.
Yes.
Just cannot face
Yes.
them on us.
Kuya,
Yeah.
ang point namin, hindi kami dapat yung papalabasin kasi kami yung customer eh.
What do you want us to do?
You can ask the guy to you.
Lumabas kayo kasi nandito na yung customer.
Kuya, we're scared. We're scared to death.
If I were you,
I'm shaking,
lalabas
no?
ako. Me too.
Oh my God. Video yan, video.